When fear surrounds you and darkness feels stronger than light, heaven sends a warrior. His name is Archangel Michael. In moments when the world feels broken, when faith is tested and when hope seems distant, Michael stands as a reminder that God never leaves his people unprotected. He is not a symbol of destruction, but a guardian of truth, a defender of faith, a servant of God's divine will. Archangel Michael does not come with noise or chaos. His presence brings calm in the middle of spiritual storms. The Bible tells us that Michael leads the armies of heaven, standing boldly against every force that rises against God's truth. Fear is the enemy's first weapon. Fear whispers lies into the heart. It tells people they are alone, forgotten, and defeated. But Michael exposes fear for what it truly is: a deception meant to weaken the soul. Courage, Michael teaches, is not the absence of fear. Courage is choosing faith even when fear is loud. It is trusting God when the path is unclear and standing firm when life feels overwhelming. Throughout history, believers have felt Michael's unseen protection, in moments of danger, in moments of despair, in moments when faith hangs by a thread. Michael does not remove every battle, but he strengthens the heart to endure them. When prayers feel unanswered, Michael reminds us that heaven is still listening. When darkness presses close, he stands between fear and faith, holding a sword forged not of steel but of divine truth. In the book of Revelation, Michael appears once more in the final battle between light and darkness. Evil rises with fury, but its defeat is certain. Michael fights with confidence, not because of his own power, but because God's victory is already written. This is the message Archangel Michael carries to the world. Darkness may fight, but it cannot win. Fear may speak, but it does not have the final word. God is still in control. So when the night feels long and hope feels fragile, remember this: Archangel Michael still stands watch, and God has already won the battle.